name is Klaus Dern. I would like to demonstrate a simple patented mechanism that I have added to the base of an ordinary handheld circular saw. This mechanism allows the user to make perfectly square cuts without the use of any additional tools. As you can see, this mechanism is hardly noticeable, adds no bulk, and because of its simple design, it adds less than 2 ounces of weight to the saw. In the construction business, perfectly square cuts of lumber are critical during framing. The tools most often used for these cuts are the handheld circular saw and the carpenter square. First, I'm going to demonstrate the old traditional way of making these cuts. This traditional way takes a lot of time and effort. After marking the required length to be cut, you must use a carpenter square and lean over the saw to align the proper marking on the front of the saw's base with the mark on the lumber. Then you must move the saw forward using the carpenter square as a guide to achieve a square cut. Now I will cut the same piece of lumber using the new mechanism. After marking the length to be cut, I loosen the lever for the depth adjustment of the blade, and the base of the saw comes down and the alignment pins are activated. Standing behind the saw is then slid onto the lumber, and the reference mark on the back of the saw is aligned with the mark on the lumber. The pins are then pushed against the edge of the lumber, aligning the saw perfectly square. Then, using the saw like a cut-off saw, you push the saw down to make a perfectly square cut. Allow me to demonstrate. As you can see, a perfectly square cut took about half the time as the traditional way without using a carpenter square. For cutting wider pieces of lumber like 2x8s or 2x10s, the alignment pins automatically retract as the saw is lowered to its lowest position, allowing the user to move the saw forward to finish the cut, like this. I'm going to demonstrate a bevel cut with this mechanism in place. The alignment pins can also be manually deactivated with a switch like this. Thank you for watching this demonstration. I hope you can clearly see the benefits of using this patented mechanism. It combines the portability of a handheld circular saw with the speed and accuracy of a cut-off saw.